Okay, my new smart video doorbell came, and it's by a new company called TieJus. And I read that they have only been in business for like a few months. So it's a new startup company, which I like to support. Comes with a manual. Let's see if it's good English here. Warranty. Yep, thanks for trusting us. It says we'll solve your problems within 24 hours. That's what I like to see. Register and you get a 3-year warranty. Oh, there are the directions there on the back side. The features that I was looking for in a smart video doorbell, I already have one out the front right now, and I've got another door which I'd like to put a doorbell. Some of the features that I'm looking for is I want it to be 1080p, and this is 1080p. That's clear enough for a video doorbell. I want to be able to get notified on my app if somebody's at the door. I'd like to be able to have two-way conversation through the app. I'd like a door chime, like a remote door chime that I can put here in the pool area, because we can't hear the doorbell. We're so far away from that. And the front door is about 100 feet away. So this one, let's have a look at this. Well, that feels really good quality for sure. TieJus, I think that's how you say it. Waterproof, this is waterproof to IP66. What that means is that it can handle like a little bit of moisture, but it's not waterproof. So this is going to be in an enclosed area. I'm sheltered out at the front, which is perfect for that. But I would never put it out in the elements. So what else do we have here? Oh, there's the little chime. It's a little chime box. Oh, nice. So it takes batteries, which is really good. The other one that I have, it's a USB plug. So you have to plug it into a block. And with my GFI covers, I can't plug it in out here. So this is really good. And that makes it portable. So if you're in the pool area, you can take this with you. If you're in the bathroom at the other end of the house, you could have that in there and you could hear the doorbell. So that's the chime. Look, you get some mounting brackets and some little anchors and a little USB cable. So this should be pretty straightforward to hook up. It says meet the doorbell, and it shows all the parts and everything. So this comes apart. That's the case, and then you're going to access the charging below, and this should just pop off. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is it comes with a little SIM card removal tool, and I'm just going to put that in. I've got one here handy. I'm just going to put it in and pull up. Yep, see that? Worked perfectly. So there is the actual video doorbell there, and there's the case that you would mount. So you'd mount that on the wall. Let's take a look at this some more. We've got a couple little flaps right here. If we open them up, oh, there's a reset button and a charge cable. And I actually have lots of those charge cables, USB charge cables. That's good. And on the bottom part, we've got the SD card. And I've got a 32 gigabyte that I'm going to put in. And I read that it will handle a 128 gigabyte card, but a 32 is fine for me. It'll just go into loop recording. It's saying take that apart, charge it. So I'll charge that up. I'll put batteries in the chime. And then it says down and install the app, which is called Zoomall, the Zoomall app. So I will do that. Turn on all your permissions and allow Zoomall to access your mobile data, cellular data, and wireless LAN, or it won't connect to the camera. So this is 2.4G. It doesn't handle 5G. So I'm going to put the app into my phone on my Android, and then I'm going to register. That's the next thing, and then connect to the app to the camera. Connect the camera to the app, which is pretty straightforward. And that's just add a device. That's really straightforward. And then a little QR code is going to come up on my phone when I install the app, when I go add device, and I just hold it up in front, and it will automatically connect. So I'm going to charge this up, look at the directions a little bit more, and then try it out, see what it looks like at the front. There you go. It came with enough of a charge to get up and running, and I put my little SD card in there. And you can also connect into the cloud too. But I like the SD cards with loop recording, and I have that on all my security cameras actually. And quality is great, 1080p, and I tested it out, and I had somebody press the doorbell and answered, and I could talk back and forth. And what I like to do is actually hold it up where it's going to go so that you can see. So here's how clear it is out the front in 1080p. And you can see that out the front, anybody walking up, I would capture them. It also has a 140-degree view, which I really like. I have that on my action cameras too. I want to get a wide angle view, and not a narrow view, but a nice wide angle so that you can't sneak up on my cameras. But this worked out really good. And the quality is there. This feels extremely well made. I like it a lot. That's going to do well out in the front. Yeah, I like the fact that it's got rechargeable batteries in there. So, you know, every few weeks I'll probably pop this out and top up the batteries. Smart video. This is my TieJus smart video doorbell. Thanks for watching. I bought this on Amazon for a very good price, and I'll put a link in the description below in the show more button. But quality's there. If you're looking for a video doorbell, I like this smart video doorbell by TieJus.